How could having a new baby affect your finances? Now, new babies are adorable, we all know that, but they can also be a source of financial anxiety to parents who feel unprepared. So, how can you get ready financially for a new baby? Having recently become a proud father of a gorgeous little one, I know firsthand that while the joy is immense, the financial stress can be significant. So, a solid financial plan that is realistic can help to reduce the stress and ensure a smoother transition to parenthood. So, in this episode, I'll share the steps we took financially to prepare for our little one. These are practical steps that are easy to implement, even if you're not so much into personal finance and don't have millions in the bank. So, let's dive in. All right, I'm gonna let you in. We've got a quick update. We've got some seriously powerful financial insights coming your way regularly every week, and trust me, you don't want to miss out. But here's the kicker: only 25% of you watching this are certain to get this golden nuggets when we drop them on the podcast. Why? Because 75% of you have not subscribed yet. So if you're in the 25% club, thank you. You're the real MVP and we appreciate you. But to the 75% who are watching regularly but not subscribing, let's change that quickly. Or tell me in the comments, why haven't you subscribed? Come on, let's do it quickly. Hit the subscribe button to make sure you don't miss out on the content. That way you're doing yourself and even me a favor, because then it lets YouTube know that we're doing something right. All right, so join the club and never miss another episode filled with financial wisdom, tips, and fun. Hit the subscribe button. Let's make sure you're always in the know. All right, let's jump right back into the video. Thank you. Welcome to MONEYWISE Doctor channel. I'm Dr. Andy Eguim, founder of MONEYWISEDoctor.com, XLR GP, entrepreneur and investor. Here, our mission is to help doctors and healthcare professionals to make smarter financial decisions and to avoid costly mistakes. If you haven't already, visit the website MONEYWISEDoctor.com for valuable financial resources to support you on your financial journey, and subscribe to our weekly newsletter full of useful tips and insights. You can find the link in the description in the video. So, before we delve into the steps that you can take, let's look at 4 key facts about financial prep for your little one. Number 1, this is not a surprise. So, pregnancy, new baby, it's not a surprise. Having a newborn, most pregnancies come several months ahead. Even if you plan to adopt, it still takes a few months before things work out. So, use the time to prepare financially. Even in unplanned pregnancies, there's still a few months, so take your time to work on it. So number 2, new babies, new bills. Having a child is a source of joy, is a gift, but there's going to be increased bill. Think about medical expenses, housing, push chairs, seats, bouncers, cot beds, nappies, baby food, and more. And of course, further down the line, like education and stuff like that. Yeah, and obviously it depends on your circumstances. For instance, if you live in the UK, you probably get access to the NHS, the National Health Service, so you might not be spending that much more, except you go for private health insurance. But think about all these things. Obviously, if you're going private or you live in a place where you have to pay out of pocket, consider the option that you might have a longer hospital stay after delivery. Number 3, income dip. Your household income might reduce during pregnancy, delivery, and parental leave. Self-employed individuals or those running small businesses may not make as much money when they have less time to dedicate to work. Contractors, consultants who receive hourly pay may be particularly vulnerable to this. Factor in the sort of potential dip in your planning. And number 4, expense dip. Good news also, there might also be a drop in your expenses after delivery. I mean, this depends on your lifestyle before delivery. If you like to entertainment, travel, dining out, you might spend less in these areas because you're mostly home now with the baby. Now that I've got out of the way, let's look at 10 key preparation steps that you can take to prepare for your new one, your baby, of course. So start with number 1, a budget. So a budget doesn't have to be an elaborate spreadsheet. A simple outline of expected costs will guide you. Be realistic and done on the budget. It's better to over budget. Include cost for expected, changes, scenarios. Consider things like, are you going to go private? Are you going to have a surgery like cesarean section? 2, reduce your personal debt as much as possible. If you can cut down your personal debt, it helps you to reduce the stress and it helps you to reduce the worries. Even if you need to pick up a side hustle or something to do before you have your little one to help you get in extra income to cut your personal debt. And it's a good idea not to sign up new credit cards. 3. Set up an emergency fund. We've talked a lot about emergency fund. A lot of information about it on the channel. Is mostly 3 to 6 months worth of your living expenses saved up in an account that you can access. So save that up as an emergency fund. Number 4, activated monthly automatic saving systems. That's a mouthful, but it's AMAS in short. Is to set up automatic direct debits of a portion of your monthly income and deposit it into a designated account. You can build up savings that you can invest for your baby even before they are born or even after they are born. That way you don't need discipline, it goes automatically. Number 5, you can start investing and saving for the future. Obviously, if you combine the AMAS, the automatic system of sending the direct debit, you can start saving money, and when you accumulate some money, you can start investing. This might be stock market investing or real estate. Some people buy a piece of property for their little one and it sort of grows with them, and some other people just buy index fund or invest in a junior ISA or something like that. But do your due diligence, understand what you're investing in. Number 6, hunt for deals. Start shopping for baby products early. Take advantage of deals, discounts, promotions. Buy seasonal items off the season to save some money. Number 7, get it for free. So look for freebies. There are lots of giveaways for expectant moms. Many companies offer gifts as part of their marketing strategies. An online search can help you find available vouchers, giveaways, discounts, so get it for free. Number 8, government programs. So depending on your location and circumstances, you might be eligible for maternity leave pay or some sort of government funding. So research online and speak to other new moms or expectant moms. Learn how you can access these benefits. Number 9 is a good time to review your estate. Having a baby is a good opportunity to review your estate plan, ensure your resources are allocated according to your wishes, consider updating your will, getting life insurance, income protection. Maybe it might be a good time to speak to a financial planner, especially now that you have another dependent. And number 10, gifts. So if you're not too proud and you're not too shy, you might receive gifts from friends and family colleagues. While it's not part of your active financial planning, this gift can help offset some cost. Now, the truth of it is that having a child is a deeply personal and important decision that requires careful consideration. You might not feel fully prepared, but a little planning can go a long way to help you to prepare for a little one. So if you're preparing for a little one, if you're expecting a little one, tell me in the comment, or if you just had a newborn or you've had one in the past, tell me in the comment, which of these did you do? Which of these did you find useful? Are there any other strategies that you recommend that someone preparing for a newborn, whether they've had a newborn already or they're on the way? If there's any sort of useful suggestions, pop them in the comment. And then if you've got any questions around these issues, I'll be happy to answer as well. If you check the description, I'm going to pop in links for any useful sources for expectant parents so that you can look at useful sources, maybe sources of getting free stuff, sources of getting useful information, so that you can also access this and it can be useful for you. So good luck with your little one, and of course, if you'd like to get more content like this, if you'd like to be notified whenever we release useful personal finance information for doctors or personal finance videos, check the link in the description and sign up for our newsletter at moneywisedoctor.com/subscribe. All right then, till next time, bye bye.